heating and cooling your home efficiently with Fujitsu mini-split products. As much as half of the energy used in your home goes to heating and cooling. So making smart decisions about your home's heating and air conditioning system can have a big effect on your utility bills and your comfort. If your average annual utilities are $4,200 or more, Fujitsu can save you up to $1,050 annually, or $10,500 in 10 years. Your Fujitsu local contractor can install a basic system as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Mount the indoor and outdoor units. 2. Connect refrigerant and drain lines. 3. Make electrical connections. All with only a 2 to 3 inch hole in the wall that is covered by the unit itself. The compressor and condenser are located outside the home. The need for a basement or attic located evaporator unit and bulky ductwork is eliminated by using thin copper tubing that pumps refrigerant directly to discrete evaporators inside. An air conditioner absorbs heat from indoors and moves it outdoors. The result? Efficient cooling and heating for year-round whole house comfort. According to statistics taken from Improving the Efficiency of Your Duct System from the U.S. Department of Energy, I quote, "A typical duct system loses 25 to 40% of the heating or cooling energy put out by the central furnace, heat pump, or air conditioner. That means that 40 cents out of every dollar you spend is lost in ductwork in a conventional central air system." If you think about it, it's crazy to run your cold conditioned air through ducts that are in a superheated attic. It's like sending your cold air through a pizza oven. What is a heat pump? It's an air conditioner that also makes heat, heating and cooling in one system. It's an air conditioner that can operate in reverse, absorbing heat from outside and moving it indoors with no loss of cooling efficiency. In many climates, a heat pump may handle your heating needs more efficiently than a furnace most months of the year. In colder climates, additional heat may be required to satisfy 100% of your heating requirements. However, many Fujitsu models can provide heat even when it is cold as 0 degrees. In a conventional system, the large compressor comes on hard, dimming the lights in your home and running at full speed all the time. Our inverter variable speed DC compressor only runs as fast as it needs to. It starts up slow and then only runs to handle the cooling or heating demand. Fujitsu offers a wide range of mini-split designs, making a Fujitsu system installation possible almost anywhere in your home or business. Please let me show you some examples. Our 9 to 36,000 BTU wall-mounted models are available in heat pump or cooling only, up to 26 SEER, which is twice the minimum amount required by law. They're available in single-zone models with humidity control, sleep timers, and operate with our high-efficiency inverter technology. Our wall-mounted IAQ indoor air quality systems are available from 9 to 30,000 BTUs. They're available in cooling only or heat pump models up to 20 SEER. They have an electronic plasma air filter in them. They're available as a single-zone model, again with humidity control and a sleep timer. Fujitsu's multi-zone models are amazing. You can connect up to 4 indoor units with only 1 outdoor unit. Each indoor unit can be operated independently with its own remote control. You can choose from a variety of indoor unit styles, providing both heating and cooling, although not simultaneously, at up to 16.5 SEER. You can create up to 4 zones, and our high wall units have the electronic plasma air cleaner in them. You can have them ceiling mounted with our cassettes, or you can have them concealed completely with our ceiling concealed models. Here is just an example of the way our multi-zones could be installed in a home or business like yours. Ceiling cassette systems are available either in the multi-zone systems or as a single standalone system at up to 16 SEER using our inverter technology with humidity control. The large models have the ability to have a fresh air intake with an energy saver mode, swing louvers, and these come with our wired 7-day settable remote control. Our universal floor or ceiling mounted units are very flexible. The unit can be mounted either low by the floor or up horizontally on the ceiling. They're up to 16 SEER with our inverter technology with humidity controls, and they're great for hallways or long skinny spaces where space is limited. Fujitsu's auto louvers spread the air all over the room, unlike a fixed register in a central air system. Our auto mode provides the feature of adjusting the fan as the temperature reaches set point automatically like an expensive car. Let's look at some feature comparisons. Cruise control. Compressors only run as fast as they need to handle the heating or cooling demand. Dehumidifier. Dry mode helps reduce humidity levels when cooling. Peace of mind. 6-year compressor and 2-year parts warranty. Savings. High energy efficiency / utility bills up to 25%. Oscillating fan. Auto louvers redirect airflow to make you more comfortable. Earth-friendly, low ozone depleting refrigerants. Timer. A 24-hour programmable timer allows on-off cycle control of the system. And clean air with high-performance filters removing dust, odor, and improving indoor air quality. Ductless heat pumps allow for a peaceful inside environment by enabling the contractor to install components like compressors and motors outdoors. They provide warm, gentle airflow, not a blast of hot or cold air. Zoning saves electricity. When you were a kid, your mom or dad told you when you leave a room, turn off the light. Well, why not, when you leave the room, turn your air conditioner up or off? After all, a Fujitsu unit cools or heats the room within minutes, in less than half the time it takes a central system. Homeowners can claim 30% of the cost, up to $1,500 for the installation of select Fujitsu systems in 2009 and 2010. The tax credit applies to the installed cost of qualified equipment, which includes labor. Fujitsu has 5 systems that qualify: our 9RLQ, 12RLQ, 9RLS, 12RLS, and 15RLQ models. To encourage customers to buy energy-efficient products, many local utility companies offer rebates on qualified products. Check with your local utility company to see what special incentives they may have if you install a Fujitsu mini-split product. What would you think of a house that had one light switch for the whole house? That's the kind of control you get with central air. Fujitsu systems are individually zoned to provide constant comfort throughout your home. You can manage different areas with our remote controls and time. You only need to heat or cool the rooms you're using. Simply shut off the system you're not using and turn them back on again when you need them. Your family's health is important to you. Today's homes are filled with a variety of airborne irritants such as odors, dust, smoke, pollen, and allergens. Halcyon IAQ systems include an electronic plasma air filter which removes those harmful airborne irritants, odors, and allergens. Fujitsu's wall mount units are some of the quietest systems available on the market today. They are aesthetically pleasing and blend nicely with most decors. Small, quiet outdoor units tuck easily away around your home. Thanks for watching. Please visit us at www.fujitsugeneral.com to see how Fujitsu can make you more comfortable and save you money. Thanks.